Hi, this is Asim Ansari from Business Solutions, and I have a solution for e-commerce sellers which I would like to share with you all. Now, the motivation why Business Solutions came up with this approach can be explained better with an example. Suppose I have an e-commerce website where I sell my products. I also have an eBay shop, and also in order to increase my business, I bought a shop on Amazon. Now, to manage my e-commerce website, I have a separate login. For managing eBay, and another login, and for Amazon, a third login. Now, the drawback of this approach is quite visible. My products are separated across all three channels. My customers are not in one system, and also I cannot extract useful information out of it due to the distributed nature of the data. So our experts decided, why not have one login to access all three channels. The advantage of this approach is quite visible. Merely because all the data are in one system, I can manage my products effectively. I can strengthen relationship with my customers. Also, I can extract reports out of it where my top level management can take strategic decisions. Also, what if I have sales, purchase, warehouse, accounting, CRM, and shipping integrated with it? All these combined together makes a complete solution for e-commerce sellers. Now, the next task for Business experts was to decide which software to use. So after days of study and analyzing the market conditions, we decided to go with open source. Now, why open source? First of all, e-commerce is very vast and it is very fast growing. So as a business grow, I need to customize my software to meet the business requirement. So with open source, customization is very easy. Moreover, it is license free. Furthermore, there is no recurring cost. I just have to pay for implementation, training, and support. Also, there are many more advantages of open source which can be explored further when we actually start using the system. So it was decided to go with Open ERP, an open source management solution. Now, the major advantage of Open ERP over other ERP system is that it lends easily to customization. So we can easily tweak the documents, reports, workflows, modules to meet the business requirement rather than tweaking the business to meet the tool requirement. Here we go. We have a Magento connection, which is nothing but my e-commerce website, an eBay connection, and an Amazon connection. Now let's go to Magento shop. Here we have two different parts. One is the catalog management and other one is the order management. So from here I can export catalog from my e-commerce website into OpenERP. I can export stock levels. I can also import orders. I can update the order status, whether it is completed, shipped, or cancelled. And also I can export shipping, wherein I can export the tracking number, ship date, and so on. Let's move to eBay connection. So for eBay, we have the same look and feel as that of our e-commerce website. So from here again, I can manage my catalog and orders. So we have importing catalogs, exporting stock levels, importing orders, and updating order status, which includes the tracking number and the ship date also. Now let's move to Amazon. Okay, for Amazon, same set of features, catalog and order management. Now apart from this manual buttons, I have an automatic import checkbox. So if I check this box, the process of synchronizing OpenERP and the external channels gets automated. Also, when I import orders, it also creates customers, it also creates products, it also creates taxes and other details associated with my order. So let's go to customers and see how I can make my relationship more stronger with it. So this is the customer page. So I have the name of my customer, his address. Also I have information from website, if this customer bought anything from my website. If you bought anything from eBay, then I have the eBay related details and also Amazon specific details. So this way I have all my customer in one system, and it becomes easier for me to find out which customer buys the most product from me, and I can give him some special discount to strengthen my relationship. Now let's go to sales orders to figure out how orders look when it comes from different channels. So here we are. We have orders from all the various sources, and the prefix specifies from which source it came from. You have Amazon underscore, MEG underscore, and eBay underscore. This way we have orders from all three channels in one system. Now this is not enough. The next task for any e-commerce seller is to ship the order through the available shipping services. So let's see what bits they have for e-commerce sellers in shipping. So for shipping, we have integrated OpenERP with FedEx, UPS, and USPS. So here are the different parameters where we put in the data, and on clicking on quotes, we get a list of services with their respective rates. Now from this, the shipping manager selects the best service, and on clicking on accept, he gets the tracking number and label in return from the shipping service. This is what I get when I click on accept: a carrier tracking number from the shipping service provider and the label which comes as an attachment. So let's see how the attachment looks. This is the label which came from USPS. It has the ship from address, the ship to address, the barcode, and the tracking number. Now this label can be put on package and shipped to the customer. Apart from this, we have a number of reports which can be printed to make the shipping process easier and faster. That's it. This is all we have for e-commerce sellers, a complete robust